Hi, welcome to CTM. I've got a fantastic tile for you, and if it's in the name, it's called the Dyna Fantastic Rectified Porcelain Tile. Come have a look. This tile is a shiny tile, and you can see some reflections. If I put my hand over this tile, it's very smooth. But the benefit of this tile is it's a porcelain tile, and it's very durable. Have a listen. And if you have a look here, the large format size minimizes the grout lines, and the large format will make small spaces appear large. This marble look tile is highly realistic. Come even look at the attention to detail within the style. As you can see, there are some beautiful beiges, ivories, grays, and even whites within the style. So, these tiles offer a versatile foundation to any of your projects. So come to CTM and add it to your cart, and we will deliver to your doorstep. And once again, thank you for shopping at CTM.